Alright friends, this is an extra video and I want to show you about how to use special effects in BandLab. So once you actually have some music down, there are a lot of effects that you can use to balance things out and to make things sound unique, different, add sound effects, and different things like that. So the most basic thing is the volume level and what is called pan, which is what you have right here, the volume and the pan. Now, volume just determines how loud the track is. That's pretty simple. But pan is going to tell you how much sound is coming out of the left speaker versus the right speaker. Okay? So usually, if you have a big stereo, or if you're in a car or something, or if you have headphones on, you have a left and a right. And those two channels of sound are actually different. So if you change this, it's going to change the balance of where the sound comes from left to right. Now, of course, that's only going to really make a difference if you have headphones on, but it will make a difference. And people like to do this in order to make the song sound a little bit more expansive if you have headphones on. It helps to imagine that you're looking at a group or that you're looking at something in front of you, and you want to picture from left to right where do you want to place the different sounds. It helps to separate things out and balance them together, and it helps to make your track sound a lot better. But I'm not really going to mess with pan because I'm on my little computer speakers, so you're not going to be able to hear the difference. Okay? What I will do is I will play the track, and I will click on this red bar at the top here, which means that it's going to loop measures 1 through 4. And I'm going to try to get everything into balance in a place that I like it by adjusting all the volume levels. Okay, so the main thing that I did is I brought this drum machine way down because I think it's very, very noisy, so I kind of just want it in the background. I don't want it right up in the middle of everything, kind of burying stuff. And I brought the guitar out a little bit because this is the main instrument that I want people to hear. Okay? What we're going to do now is I'm going to show you some other effects, okay? So we're going to go onto our guitar track, and we're going to hit solo, the S, which means that everything else will be muted, and we're only going to hear this track. And what we're going to do is we are going to click on this other tab that we have not explored before, FX Effects, okay? And this is going to actually allow us to apply some sound effects to this track specifically. So this is what it sounds like now. Okay, and what I can do is I can add an effect, and there's a bunch of different types of effects we could add. There's distortion, there's delay, and I think delay is going to sound good here, because delay always sounds pretty cool on repetitive parts like this. Oh, I actually don't like that at all. It makes it sound very chaotic. Okay, let's try instead maybe some... This might sound cool. A little wah-wah effect. Oh yeah, that makes a big difference. So you can tell that made a big difference in the sound, right? And the same thing goes for all these effects. And you can apply different ones in different places. So you can maybe see what effect we could put onto this beat over here. Maybe a little bit of this. So you can see by adding just a couple effects, I was really able to change the sound of this. So I can hit this button to turn off all the effects temporarily, and you can hear this is what it sounded like at the beginning with no effects. And then with all the effects, I'll turn them on. Okay, and now let's listen to the whole song with the sound effects that I added. Okay, so it doesn't really, sound effects don't make a huge change on their own. It's very subtle, but they can really be that thing that takes your song and brings it to the next level and really makes it come together in an interesting way. Okay, another thing that we want to look at before I wrap up is you can change sound effects over time by using this tool right here. Now, most simply, you can just change volume level over time. So for example, I could pin the volume down low and then bring it up high and then bring it back down low. And over this little period of time, the volume is going to totally change for this sound effect track. I will solo it so it's the only thing we can hear, and I will hit play. So you heard that come in and out, right? And if I wanted it to happen every time, I would have to do it by hand, just like this. And I can make it even more extreme if I want. I can have it go from 0 to a lot. Okay, and that's pretty neat, right? Now that's in our track. But one of the coolest things, in my opinion, is that we can actually do this for all of our effects. So you can, for example, do this for pan. And then on the tracks that have sound effects, you can do this for each of the little settings here. So for any one of these tiny little settings, you can actually change the setting over time. So for example, and again, this gets into some very subtle things, very, very little details, but this is where you can really just dive in for a very long time on some of these songs and, you know, really make something that is unique and that you've put a lot of energy into. So all of these different settings on the sound effects, you can select one of them. For example, if I wanted to change graphic EQ 1.6K, right? That means that I'm talking about this dial right here, which you see that I boosted up a little bit, right? If I wanted to choose that, I could actually change this dial from one part of the song to the other. And again, this is very slight, right? It's a small change, but these are just the type of things you can do in order to have an impact on your song. And you saw that dial move up and down, right? Look right here. Okay, I'm not clicking and dragging it. That's being done by the line that we've drawn here, right? Okay, so that's all I have for you. That is how to use our special effects. Definitely a very, very deep thing that you can dive into if you wish.